captures when you reframe 360 content and save it as a traditional fixed perspective video or photo. Here's how it works. The skater sets up Fusion and starts his session. He doesn't worry about framing the shot because Fusion is capturing everything at once. When he's done skating, he uses the GoPro app to transfer the 360 footage to his phone so that he can create an awesome overcapture video that he can post and share. First, he presses the overcapture icon. He pinches to zoom and swipes to pan. By tilting his phone and moving it in space, he can explore all the different perspectives. He has complete control to create a new video from any angle he wants. All he has to do is hit record to capture exactly what he sees on his phone. With overcapture, he can reshoot the scene as many times as he wants from endless perspectives. Check out his finished video. It looks like it was shot by a team of professionals, but all he needed was Fusion in the GoPro app. It's ready to post and share.
is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flowstate stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the 1X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.
Hi, my name is Christine. We're here at the KODAK PIXPRO headquarters, and I'm going to be talking to you about the latest in our lineup of KODAK PIXPRO cameras. Welcome to the world of 360 interactive video that is taking content to new heights. Here at KODAK PIXPRO, we're dedicated to bringing new and innovative technology to market, and our family of 360 VR cameras is a great example of just that. Meet the Orbit 360 4K camera, a unique design and answer to all-in-one 360 VR, with 2 fixed focus lenses housed in a futuristic and compact body. This model is actually 3 cameras in one. Use the front lens alone for 4K ultra-wide 197-degree traditional videos, the back slightly larger lens for dome or fisheye mode, or use the 2 lenses in tandem for fully interactive 360 photos and videos that can be stitched together in camera and uploaded to social media right away, or use our free software for 4K stitching. The Orbit 360 4K is sold in 2 bundle packs that give you plenty of accessories, allowing you to use the 360 camera right out of the box, which is an incredible value. Add Facebook and YouTube compatibility to share your photos and videos on the go, and you'll be the next social media star. Each pack comes standard with a camera, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, AC adapter and charging dock, USB cable, clear lens and rubber protective covers, mini Bluetooth remote control, camera case, and cleaning cloth. This camera takes a microSD card up to 256 gigabytes for plenty of room to store your 4K files. The Orbit 360 is equipped with a stereo mic input, Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi enabled for added convenience. With the ability to shoot in burst mode, time-lapse, loop recording, and more, this 360 camera gives you plenty of options for every occasion in capturing what you love to do from every angle. To learn more, visit us at KODAKPIXPRO.com.